You just got paid a few days ago, but somehow your wallet is already completely empty. You check your bank app and think, wait, where did all my money actually go? Well, it usually starts small, like that fancy $8 iced coffee you buy every single morning. Then comes the late night scrolling when your brain tells you that you need things you don't. 2 days later, boxes pile up at your door filled with stuff you'll probably use exactly once. We all buy things trying to buy a new identity, like those heavy weights gathering dust in the corner. And don't forget the invisible money drainers, 5 different streaming subscriptions you never even watch. Add in eating out because you were too tired to cook, and suddenly your paycheck is vanishing. Before you know it, the real bills arrive and you're scrambling just to cover the basics. Living paycheck to paycheck is exhausting. It feels like you're running on a treadmill that never stops. But wait, you don't have to live this way. It is time to hit the brakes and take back control. Step 1. Actually look at your money. Track exactly where every single dollar is going for 1 month. Step 2. Cut the mindless spending. Making your coffee at home saves you hundreds of dollars a year. Step 3. Use the 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something online, force yourself to wait a whole day. Step 4. Give your money a job. Try the 50-30-20 rule to balance your needs, wants, and savings. And most importantly, pay yourself first. Send a little money to savings the second you get paid. Cancel those ghost subscriptions. Cut out anything that doesn't actually bring you joy or value. It might feel slow at first, but small, consistent habits make your money grow over time. Soon, you won't be stressing over empty wallets. You'll finally have the peace of mind you deserve. Stop wondering where your money went and start telling it where to go. Follow for more simple finance tips.